I know in my heart that I want to do, the right thing for others and for myself and for my children as well, and for my parents who are in their 70s.
Having a community where we can say, we're all sweet, that's the relief of it all. It would be a nice feeling to know our whānau are all safe.
Yeah, kia ora, moko.
For me, I definitely think getting those opportunities for our tamariki, whether it's going to do culture exchange or uni in different countries, opens their minds up to different opportunities.
Yeah, mo te kapahaka, I hiki a mata tēnei nā runga anō I te mate korona, mā te vaccine nei. Ka māmāki pēr ngā whakaaro o te hunga, kuhu mai ki tā maki. Pai noi ho, e kore tērā mate pā ki au, mena ko wero hi au.
Protecting whānau is what we do. Karawhiua.